How Harvard Scientists Triggered a Diabetes Epidemic by Alkaline Herbs and Recipes. Renegade Doctors Discover Smoking Gun. Have you ever wondered why so many people over 50 suffer from diabetes? Not too long ago, type 2 diabetes was almost unheard of. Today, 1 out of 3 Americans suffer from the disease. You ask most doctors why diabetes is so common, they'll simply shrug their shoulders and blame obesity, poor diet, and genetics. A box of 50-year-old documents buried in the Harvard University archives revealed a shocking fact. The real culprit behind today's diabetes deadly epidemic is a single scientific study from 1967. In the early 60s, researchers were racing to discover why so many people were dropping dead from heart attacks. At the same time, most scientific evidence pointed to sugar, not saturated fat or cholesterol, as the main culprit. The sugar industry knew the facts about sugar and heart disease and would sink sales and cost them billions. They came up with a plan to protect their bottom line profits, a plan that would derail scientific progress for the next 5 decades. In 1965, the Sugar Research Foundation paid 3 Harvard scientists $6,500, or about $48,000 in today's money, to prove sugar was harmless and point the blame at saturated fat instead. The scientists were some of the most respected nutrition experts in the world. Dr. Frederick Stare was the chairman of Harvard Department of Nutrition. Dr. Mark Hesteg, a scientific advisor for the USDA. And Dr. Robert McGandy, who was a pioneer in dietary research. Big Sugar ordered their Harvard lab dogs to refute our detractors, and that's exactly what they did, using methods that could be kindly described as dishonest.